What up, fam? We were over at Bobby's last night, playing with the plas table. Got the receiver hitch plate cut out for the camper. Got my hitch tube here. Going to drill a hole in it, try out the new drill press. And then we're going to slap her on. We got some more iron over there. We're going to be pulling boats and buggies. Well, it was real hard fought, but we got a hole. Apparently $20 for a drill bit is a shitty drill bit. So I'll keep that in mind. Apparently, you know, shit just ain't worth what it used to be. Alright, we tried 3 different hitches. We had 3 different results. So, got the old die grinder out of the drawer. Haven't used this thing in like probably 3 years. I never thought my compressor would run it. Man, am I glad I decided to try it because we back in action. But we've got a pretty big wobbled out hole that fits print style hitches. So I think we're going to be fine there. So now we're going to clean it up with the grinder, clean up the plate, go clean up the camper. We're going to start fucking burning shit on. What up, fam? We're under the camper. I kind of forgot that I was filming. I got that plate on. Tacked out front right now, in case y'all were wondering. Vertical 7018 Harbor Freight machine. I am still Mr. Welder. Well, this isn't my best work. My little machine will only run 70 amps on stick when you're on 110, so I'm kind of struggling there with heat. It's not enough, obviously, but I don't have my 50 amp welded up yet, so, or not welded up, I don't have my 50 amp wired in yet, so I got to deal with it. But it is a little Swiss cheesy, but she's on there. This son of a gun ain't going nowhere. Back's all welded up, both sides. I'm gonna hurry up and powder coat it while it's hot, and then throw the tube in and the cross in. And probably some gussets, but this thing's going to be so solid for a boat and a side-by-side. That's 1/2 inch plate, and I think the tube's like 5/16 wall, heavy stuff. And then my angle that I got for the cross braces, I want to say it's like 4 by 4 by 1/2 inch, so it's going to be really sturdy. But get this baby powder coated. Yeah, you want that to steam when it hits. That's how you know it's going to stick. Then I got to figure out some sort of mountain. Got some mud flaps. This stupid camper's got rowdy mud tires on it, which is why I got my license plate self-tapper right here, because it blew it off there. When you go on gravel, it'll fling so much rocks you can't even keep your license plate on, so don't want to bust out the boat windshield or the buggy, so gonna put some flaps on it. I'm gonna have to do some fixing on the underbelly stuff, because it's just like tarp material, of course. Get within 6 inches of it with the damn welder and it melts. No surprise there, but we'll get her dialed in. Tubes in. Welded both sides. Time to get the crossbar in. Alright. She's on. Got her all dialed in. Did some painting. Repainted a bunch of the outside of the frame. Got massive angle iron in there. Welded to the frame. This 1/2 inch all welded out. We're ready to go camping. Hell yeah, brother.